Now I'm going to show you the nLite pole system. I'm holding the master pole, which is basically the base or entry into the system. This has a fully extended, reaches 6.6 meters or 22 feet, and with your body height will reach to around 25 feet or over 7 meters. The poles come in 3 materials. The one I'm holding here is carbon fibre. We also have an entry-level glass fibre hybrid carbon mix, so that's a hybrid pole. So then we have carbon fibre, and then we also have high modulus carbon fibre, which is the top of the range. These are all telescopic poles. They are 4 sections. They all have a innovative new clamp and lever system. The lever is easily adjusted. You just open it and then the pole slides and extends. Okay, so this is very similar to telescopic systems that are on the marketplace. One big difference is that we have combined telescopic and modular, so that now when you take this base system, you can now add on another extension, which will be another 2-section pole, and continue to do that until you have 12 sections or 20 meters or 60 feet. So it's a combination of a telescopic master pole plus telescopic extension poles. One of the major benefits of this system is, rather than the master pole constantly getting thicker and thicker because of more sections, you now have the section that you're always holding is always 35 millimeters, which makes it very comfortable, very easy to hold. The poles themselves, the materials that they're made from, this is a carbon fibre pole. You'll see that they're all marked with a number here, which is called LDR, which stands for length deflection ratio. And this is basically a measurement that gives the amount of rigidity of any type of pole. And how that is calculated is that the pole is fully extended, and right in the centre is a 5 kilogram weight, and we then measure the amount of deflection or the distance that the pole flexes. So the higher the rating, or the higher this number, the more rigid or the stiffer the pole is. So if I just bring into one of the high modulus poles, you can now see that the LDR rating on that one is 49, so it's nearly double the one for the carbon fibre, which shows that the high modulus carbon fibre is a much stiffer material. So here we have a cut down version of the pole so that it's made shorter, just to make it easier for demonstration. I just wanted to show some features and some of the details on the levers and clamps. One of the key features on the nLite system is that anywhere there is a yellow lever means that something comes apart. So if you undo this lever, you can show that the end piece adapter for the brushes or the goosenecks, that slides out. Just pushed in, and obviously the levers lock around. You can also see that there's a protection here to prevent the levers from accidentally opening. The UNGER screws adjust the tension so that, very simply, you can turn these and make sure that the pole is absolutely locked solid into position. On the other end of the pole, you can see again there's another yellow lever. This is where you remove the protective end cap. That has a rubber bumper on the end, so that when the pole is on the ground, you're protecting the ends of the pole from any damage. The clamp then is undone, and you remove the end cap when you want to add on another extension and want to start building the system in a modular way to reach greater heights. So, with the lever open, the two-stage or two-section extension pole is then simply pushed inside till the whole of the yellow band is hidden inside the pole and then locked in place. That enables you now to open one of the other levers and now extend and reach even further. So, very simple to remove. Open the yellow lever. Again, the yellow ones highlight that something comes apart. Now you can show the yellow area and remove your extension. One of the other unique features about the nLite pole system is the way that the hoses are managed, so the water hoses. With nLite, you have two distinct different methods of carrying or managing the hoses. The hose can run inside the pole, or it can run externally through these hose keepers, and these keep the hose close to the pole to avoid any tangling, and they very easily control. So now I'm going to show how the hose fits inside the pole. Here you can see there's like an indentation in the end cap, and that just allows the hole to be pushed inside. And now you can see that the hose comes out through the thread adapter, and now the hose is secure inside the pole. So now we're going to talk about the nLite goosenecks. Two different options available. There's a 30 centimetre reach or a 20 centimetre reach. These are both made of carbon fibre, very lightweight. Again, you can see that they have very similar clamp and lever designs to the actual pole system. Again, a yellow lever means that something actually comes apart or is removable. And here you can see that if you open, the thread adapter is easily removed. Again, you have the UNGER screws to be able to tension in terms of how tight, to make sure that there's no turning of the thread adapter inside the gooseneck. The goosenecks then are simply slide into the pole system, and again, yellow lever, and that just shows how they again come apart. But that's locked in now. That's your 30 centimetre, and here is the 20 centimetres, just shows you can reach that a little bit further. One of the other unique features about the nLite system is how you can make combinations of goosenecks. And here you can see that if we remove the thread adapter, you can add another gooseneck very easily, and now you've got even more reach than before. Then you can also undo this lever and rotate the gooseneck into different positions, so you can now create different angles. So you could add on a third gooseneck or even a fourth gooseneck to create and reach, enabling you to clean in really difficult to reach areas.